Heading out early today, 4:45, heading to the airport, going to Jesup. Got to go meet with the folks down at our plant. We got some good customers coming in. We're going to have a nice long day, but it's going to be a productive day, productive week. Jesup to DC, we're going to do some podcasting this week. Got a good podcast coming up with the president of ISRI, Institute of Scrap Recycling Industries, with Robin Wiener. That ought to be exciting. Robin's going to have a lot to say on what's going on in our industry, and hopefully it'll be informative to the people who are listening to Pile of Scrap. So we're on the way, on the road again.
When I come back to Georgia, it's very important for me to go up and talk to these people. You know, I'm 3,000 miles away, and you know, as owner, they have to know I'm just a human too. I'm nobody. I'm not this mythical individual. So I enjoy coming and talking to them and just saying hi, and you know, talking. We always like to talk a little bit about football. Seems like most everybody's a Bulldog fan. You got a few Gator fans here, and since we're so close to Florida, but yeah, it's a lot of fun to come back here and see everybody.
Well, we're heading over to the factory, and then do that, and then we're going to have some customers come in and give them a tour and show them what we do. And
I think when we talk about parts, people don't realize how many parts we actually have in stock.
You know, anybody can tell you they got parts. But that's why we love tours of our facilities in Bakersfield and here, because they come and ultimately they see millions upon millions of dollars of parts. So,
Right.
Proof's in the pudding.
That's right.
All right, back here at Jesup at the factory, looking good today. A little brisk out here in southern Georgia. Got more to do, and just excited. You know, Sierra is just doing great things. I'm pumped up over our company. Our people are they're just getting it done in a great way, and super excited as an owner, and super proud of all the people here. So it's gonna be a great day here.
We just wrapped up another episode of Pile of Scrap, and today we had a great one. We got to talk with Emory Olds, who's our chief engineer and general manager of our facility in Jesup, and Randy Hanson, who's the head technician for all 2-ram balers at Sierra. And you know, it's interesting when you sit down around a table and you talk to these guys, but the combined experience with them is over 60 years experience in building and manufacturing and installing balers and conveyors in the recycling industry. And then with Sierra being in the scrap metal industry and recycling industry for over 60 years, you know, Sierra has just a world of experience. And it was fun today. These guys don't want to be on camera. You got a smile, Emory. Dear Lord.
That is a smile.
But you know what? What's really cool is their experience will help everybody be more efficient. So it was really cool. It was a fun time, and loved it.
All right, it's day 3, Brunswick, heading back to the factory over in Jesup. Big day today. Got some great customers coming in to view the factory and see the REB balers and conveyors that we're making. And I think it's going to be a great day. I'm pumped up, and stay tuned.
that wraps up the Jesup part of our trip. Had a great visit by the customers today, and it's typical of customers that come to our facility who don't know how many parts and the commitment we have to our parts. And it blew them away today when they saw the millions of dollars of pumps and pumping units and motors and valves and cylinders. Their jaw dropped, and that's always fun to see. I think people I invite anybody who wants to see what Sierra is about, come visit, because when you see the truth, you'll understand what we talk about and our commitment is to our customers. And so, cool. This leg of the trip's gone. We're on our way to DC. Going to do a podcast tomorrow with Robin Wiener of ISRI. And I'm excited about that. It's going to be very informational. So, DC, here we go. We've left Jesup, Georgia. Now we're in Washington, D.C., and it's not too bad. It's clear, but it's definitely cold. So, like I said earlier, we got some visits to do at ISRI and podcasts with Robin Wiener. And, you know, I guess when you're doing things right and things are falling in place the way you hope to, really makes it for a great trip. So I'm super pumped up, as I've said before, and excited beyond. And this is great. I'm happy to be here.
But this has been great. It's been a great conversation. So thank you very, very much. And thank you for your leadership.
Well, thank you. So that's it. That's another pile of scrap.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is that okay?
Fantastic. Well, we're just finishing up an amazing week. We're heading out of D.C., heading home. We're going to watch my son play in a basketball game tonight. And I got to tell you, I am so excited. I've set this up. But we had an amazing podcast with Robin Wiener today at ISRI. She's just so brilliant about what ISRI does for our industry, and our visits in Jesup at the factory with customers coming in to see what we do there. As an owner of a company, I look at 2020 as going to be an amazing year from every standpoint. We're doing such great things, and I've been on the road all week. I don't even feel like it. I'm just energized beyond. Great things are coming from Sierra. So what a trip, what a week, and now the long track home. Well, we just got back, nick of time. We're on our way to see my son play basketball. You know, you're on the road, you're away from the family, and we're blessed to be able to get back in time. We started at 4:45 in the morning the other day, and Tuesday morning now it's 4:43 in the afternoon. So kind of funny how that time thing goes, but we're on our way and get to have some fun and relax, watch my son play ball.